Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable chat on Pinterest. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone or go to the Pinterest website on your browser and log into your account. Once you're signed in, look. At the bottom middle of your screen, you should see a speech bubble or message icon. That's where Pinterest messages, also called chat, are located if you don't see the chat option. Don't worry, it usually means you need to enable messaging. In your social permissions and settings, to do this, click on your profile picture, then go to Settings. Under Social Permissions, look for Messages. Make sure the setting is turned on, and choose who can message you, either anyone, people you follow, or no one. Once chat is enabled, go back to the message icon. From here, you can start a new chat by clicking the plus sign or new message. Then search for the person's name or paste their profile link. Now you're ready to send and receive messages, share pins, or even collaborate on boards with others through Pinterest chat. And that's it. That's how you enable and use chat on Pinterest. For more tutorials just like this one, make sure to check back again.